Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Find My offline device problem. So to fix this issue, you can simply go to your device settings and then tap on your name or an Apple ID at the top of your screen. Now once you tap on it, go to Find My and make sure that both the Find My iPhone and Find My network is turned on. Now the next what you can do is go to your iPhone settings one more time and then search for location services. Once you search for location services, scroll down to Find My and make sure that the location access is set to while using the app and the precise location is turned on. Now if your phone is lost, use the Find My app on another Apple device or go to iCloud.com. If the battery died, you can see the last location sent to Apple for up to 7 days. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.